simplify without using mathematical tables or calculators. 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 3 whole number 3 over 2 plus 3 whole number 1 over 7 all divided by 4 whole number 2 over 5 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 2 whole number 3 over 6. So I welcome you once again to my channel. Maybe today is your first time watching my video on this channel. What we do is we solve maths questions. Okay, so if you love maths, then that means you are on the right track. Okay, all right. So before we solve the question, please make sure you subscribe. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So we are going to solve this question today. We have to simplify 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 3 whole number 3 over 2 plus 3 whole number 1 over 7 divided by 4 whole number 2 over 5 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 2 whole number 3 over 6. Alright, so the solution. So we are given what? 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 3 whole number 3 over 2 plus 3 whole number 1 over 7 all divided by 4 whole number 2 over 5 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 2 whole number 3 over 6. And we are to simplify this without using mathematical tables or calculators. Okay, and I'm going to show you step by step how to simplify this expression. Okay, all right. So what we are going to do first is we have to convert all these mixed fractions to improper fraction. Okay, and that is going to be 7 over 2 minus 9 over 2 plus 22 over 7 all over 22 over 5 times 3 over 2 divided by 15 over 6. So if you don't know how to convert or to change mixed fraction to improper fraction, let me show you how to do it. So let's take the first one, that is 3 whole number 1 over 2. So we are going to change this from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, all right. So what we do is we multiply the denominator by the whole number. Okay, then we add it to the numerator over the denominator. I hope you understand. So we multiply 2 by 3, which is what? 6. 6 plus 1, which is what? 7 over 2. Do you understand? We multiply the denominator by the whole number. We add it to the numerator over the denominator. Okay, so 2 multiplies 3 to be 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. So that is what we have here, 7 over 2. So to change all the mixed fractions to improper fraction, we got what? 7 over 2 minus 9 over 2 plus 22 over 7 all over 22 over 5 times 3 over 2 divided by 15 over 6. I hope you understand now. Alright, so let's simplify it step by step. So we are going to take the numerator part or the top part and then simplify it. When we finish, we'll take the denominator or the down part and then we'll simplify that one also. Then we'll divide the results to get our final answer. I hope you understand. Alright, so let's take the top part or the numerator part. So we have 7 over 2 minus 9 over 2 plus 22 over 7. So we find the LCM, which is what? 14. Okay, so 2 goes into 14 7 times. So 7 multiplies 7 to be what? 49. Minus 2 goes into 14 7 times. 7 multiplies 9 to be what? 63. Plus, now 7 goes into 14 2 times. So 2 multiplies 22 to be what? 44. So 49 minus 63 plus 44. This will give us what? 30 over 14. I hope you are following it. 30 over 14. So 2 cancels 14 to be what? 7. And then 2 cancels 30 to be what? 15. So we have 15 over 7. So simplifying the top part, we got what? 15 over 7. I hope you understand. So let's take the down part or the denominator part and then simplify that one also. So we have 22 over 5 times 3 over 2 divided by 15 over 6. So we are going to simplify this. So this is equal to what? 22 over 5 times 3 over 2 times 6 over 15. So this 2 cancel itself 1. It will cancel this 6 3 times. This 3 cancel itself 1. It will cancel this 15 5 times. So we left it what? 22 over 5 times 3 over 5, which is equal to 66 over 25. I hope you are following it. 66 over 25. So simplifying the down part or the denominator part, we got what? 66 over 25. So the expression now becomes 15 over 7 divided by 66 over 25. 15 over 7 divided by 66 over 25. And this is equal to what? 15 over 7 times 25 over 66. 15 over 7 times 25 over 66. So when you multiply, we are going to get what? 375 over 462. That is 15 multiplies 25 to be what? 375 over then 7 multiplies 66 to be what? 462. I hope you understand. So 3 cancels 462 to be what? 154. And then 3 cancels 375 to be 125. So our final answer is going to be what? 125 over 154. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Okay, thank you.